In this lesson, we take a brief look at different design methodologies and components. Both top-down, bottom-up, and hybrid design methodology is possible with Autodesk Fusion. Parts can be designed in context with other components within the same file with a top-down methodology, as opposed to a bottom-up design approach, which typically has a lot of files that you extract together into an assembly. An XREF is an external reference that you bring into your file. Key benefits with top-down modeling are the possibility to perform rapid design iterations and the possibility to build new components in context with other parts of your design. You work with internal components when you work with a top-down design methodology. Key benefits with bottom-up design methodology are the possibility to reuse individual components in different projects and the possibility to manage each component separately, which is helpful when you work on large and complex designs. You work with external components when you work with a bottom-up design methodology. You can obviously work with hybrid scenarios and combine both a top-down and bottom-up design methodology. Understanding those different design workflows is essential for your long-term efficiency. It's considered best practice to create a new component when you work with Autodesk Fusion. A component is like a basket with information. You collect features, design edits, sketches, geometry, and more that belong to the component within the same component. With this method, you will thank yourself further down the road when you need to adjust or edit your design. You win time. We'll get back to components, assemblies, joints, bodies, etc. throughout the course, but now let's continue with the goal of building the big picture. Thank you.